This is a shorter version of our video titled Visual Phonics for Families Sound Groups. In this video, we will be focusing on R sounds. Remember, R sounds are made by rolling the sound from the back of the mouth, elevating and bunching the tongue. This group includes R and R blends. Here's a picture of their visual phonics symbol. And now that we know what their symbols look like, here is their visual phonic prompt.
The prompt is the letter R in ASL. R, R. And R blend would be T, R, T, R.
And now that we know what the prompts look like, here are some examples of each of the sounds in the beginning of the word, the end, and sometimes in the middle.
R is R, R, such as rope, rope, and deer, deer. Truck, truck. Tree, tree. And green, green.
Now that we've gone over all of the individual examples of the sounds, here are some examples of more than one R sounds within the word.